Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Toyota Prius 2. It has only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2014 Toyota Prius remains the quintessential hybrid car and a solid all-around choice. The Prius has 15-inch, 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels with full wheel covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire with a low-pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Prius is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam, halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off along with fog lights and a really nice black grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine with a variable transmission. The hybrid has front-wheel drive and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 50 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Prius only has 97,941 miles on it. At the back of the Prius, you can see the antenna, the rear wiper, and the lip spoiler, along with the large LED brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features a cargo cover and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Prius has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You also have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Prius is also equipped with door bins, an outside temp gauge, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and auto lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This Prius has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. Just above the center stack, you have a digital speedometer, fuel gauge, and shift lever indicator, along with other important information about your car. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect to devices using your USB and aux ports. The advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have an automatic climate controls with everything that you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.